Welcome to ElectroOnline. The question here is, if you're inside a metal sphere and the metal sphere has excess charge, in this case excess positive charge, is it safe for the person to touch the inside of that metal sphere, or will the person get electrocuted from all that extra charge? Well, the answer is yes, the person can touch the inside of the sphere because since it's a metal conductor, all the excess charge resides on the outside surface and all that charge repels the other charge so much that it will not transfer from the outside to the inside surface of that metal sphere. It will reside on the outside surface, and so you can touch the inside and no charges will therefore conduct onto you. Yes, it is safe to do so because of that. Those repulsive forces, they're fairly strong. Don't have to worry about it. I did it! Less than a minute.